Could a seemingly innocent household freezer be the chilling key to Hollywood's latest, most gruesome mystery? Singer D4vd, now a prime suspect in the presumed homicide of Celeste Rivas, is at the center of a shocking investigation after Rivas's dismembered and partially frozen body was discovered in his Tesla months after her disappearance. Exclusive insights reveal that D4vd's rental home contained a remarkably large freezer, eerily capable of concealing the victim's body after it was reportedly dismembered, a detail that has police intensely focused. The drama intensifies with a resurfaced social media video showing D4vd with another freezer, alongside authorities' belief that he took a suspicious midnight trip to Santa Barbara County, where the horrific dismemberment likely occurred. This unfolding saga of celebrity involvement, secret freezers, and alleged dismemberment has sent shockwaves through the entertainment world, leaving fans reeling and desperate for answers. Don't miss any of the shocking details. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content.